Hello, today we are going to do the unboxing of another affordable quartz watch from a manufacturer called Foxbox. The watch came in this blue color marked box, but before moving forward, please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Beforehand opening the box, I would like to tell you what exactly we are going to discover in this video. First, we will unbox the watch, that is obvious. Then we will look at the measurement mentioned on the seller website. I'm not going to measure it myself. Whatever is written on the listing, I will share it with you. Then we will see how it might look on a wrist. Finally, you will find from which watch this design is inspired. But earlier than anything else, first it is wrist check time, and today I am wearing my Crust 8502. Without further delay, let's open the box. And in the box, the first thing we can see is an international guarantee card which is unsigned and it is not usable. Then we have a very mini cleaning cloth. Put it aside, and then we have a watch manual. Well, this is a very fairly simple watch and I don't think we need to consult this manual, so I'll put it aside. Then we have a plastic tag just to make sure that we have an authentic product. Now the final attraction, the watch. Oh, there's one more thing. I believe this is a tool which we can use to adjust the bracelet, or we can use it to size the bracelet. So I'll keep the box aside, and now let's focus on the watch. Here is the watch. Let's unwrap the watch. I received this watch exactly after 12 days of placing the order. Nowadays, AliExpress delivery has been very fast, which is a good thing for buyers like me. This is the first look of the watch. Look at that traction. The watch indeed looks sporty and solid. This is a heavy watch. The hands are very noticeable, and the sunburst sky blue dial makes it different from other watches out there. I mean, something different from the traditional black and white dial looks very good to the eyes. Moving further, according to the seller's website, the watch case is made of alloy. And I can't complain, at this price I cannot expect a stainless steel case. However, the bracelet seems to be claimed as made of stainless steel. And to my surprise, it's a 5-link bracelet, and also it seems to be solid. Then we have push clasp. It seems to be okay. It has double safety feature. I'm really impressed with the bracelet. It looks solid. As compared to the price of this watch, the bracelet is very good. Now it's time to check the bezel action. The bezel action is smooth, but it has a back play. Then we have lume applied to hands and indices. There is a date complication at 3 o'clock. The display window is hard legs, or we can say mineral glass, and it seems that it has dome at the center. I also believe that there is no anti-reflective coating. About the measurements, the diameter of the watch is around 47 mm. The lug-to-lug width is around 22 mm. The thickness of the case is around 13 mm, which is okay for a quartz watch. It weighs around 172 grams with the supplied bracelet. It is a quartz watch, so a battery is powering this watch. I was not able to find any information about the watch movement. We have standard 50-meter water resistance, which is making it an everyday wearable watch. The back case is made of stainless steel. Now it's time to check how it will look on a wrist. My wrist size is around 6.5 inches and I need to remove a few links. Actually a lot. And I think a person with a bigger wrist can also enjoy this watch. There's plenty of room. Remember, I told you I would tell you from which watch this design has been inspired. And the answer is Seiko Prospex Baby Tuna. But still, there are some fundamental differences. Example, there is a date window at 3 o'clock, but in the real one doesn't have any date window. Also, the real one is powered by an automatic movement, but this one is powered by a quartz movement. Apart from there are many other nitty-gritty details. That is all for today. Thank you for watching this quick unboxing and be sure to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We'll see you in the next video.